Drowning in Google reviews and struggling to make sense of it all? Well, get ready to transform that chaos into clarity. In this video, we'll unlock the secrets to automatically pulling your Google reviews data directly into Google Sheets. This is a game changer for tracking customer sentiment, spotting trends, and ultimately, improving your business. First, you'll need a tool that acts as the bridge between Google reviews and Google Sheets. Several options exist, ranging from specialized review management platforms to API connectors designed for this very purpose. Popular choices include Zapier, AppyPie Connect, or similar services. These tools let you create automated workflows, often called zaps or connections, that trigger whenever a new review is posted. Next, within your chosen tool, you'll configure the trigger. This tells the system to watch for new Google reviews. Connect your Google My Business account and specify the location you want to monitor. Now, configure the action. This is what happens when a new review is detected. Select Google Sheets as your destination and connect your Google account. The crucial step is mapping the data matched to review fields like offer name, star rating, review text, and date to the appropriate columns in your Google Sheet. This ensures that the information lands where it should. Finally, test your workflow. The API connector should immediately fetch a recent review and populate your Google Sheet. If all looks good, activate the automation. Congratulations, you're now automatically feeding Google reviews data into Google Sheets. You can now use Google Sheets features such as sorting, filtering, and creating charts to visualize the data and improve your business today.